Our Heavenly Father says, the enemy has targeted some of you since birth because he knew I had a call on your life. Since birth, you have been attacked, oppressed, rejected, despised, silenced, and wounded. This day, I am reversing all the enemy has done to you. I am restoring all that was stolen. For you are cherished in my sight and greatly valued. And I will display my loving kindness in your life for all to see. You will be lifted up, and my goodness and mercy will be with you and follow you all the days of your life. And you will rejoice in my goodness. The days of your sorrow are over. The days of your rejoicing are here. If I was faithful to restore all that the enemy stole from Job, who was only a servant, because no one was born again and made my child before the cross, how much more shall I restore all that the enemy has stolen from my dearly loved children?